Score a stalk and leaves on a green foam rubber sheet. Cut out and attach to the strawberry. Make accents on the leaves with a darker foam rubber sheet. Attach tiny triangles of a black foam rubber sheet to the berry. These are seeds. Define the outline with a black marker. Oh, it's so cute! There is something inside of this soft strawberry. Redhead hasn't figured out yet that this is real strawberry jam. Then I will stick in a straw and offer for her to taste it. Mmm, sweet! This is exactly what you need to restore energy during a long walk. Strawberry mood is guaranteed! It's time to treat yourself to chocolate. I open my bar of chocolate and offer a piece to my friend. I'm so naive. My bar of chocolate is nothing in comparison with her luxurious chocolate phone case. Melt a few squares of chocolate in a double boiler. Pour the hot chocolate into a silicone candy mold and let it harden in a fridge. Pour the chocolate into a clean phone case. Make a beautiful pattern using a fork. Clean the excess with a sharp skewer. Attach the hardened candies to the hot chocolate. And put the phone case into a fridge. Apply edible golden powder paint with a brush when the chocolate base hardens. I love this candy case. This is not just a phone, it's an entire chocolate factory. Break candies off the phone case and put them directly into your mouth. Moreover, this chocolate is not regular, it's gold. It beams when the sunlight hits it. But Redhead doesn't want me to eat the entire phone case of hers. She reminds me of my boring and plain bar of chocolate. We need to get fit after this amount of sweets. It's time for a good workout. Redhead has something new. Her earphone holder suspiciously looks like an Oreo. Split an Oreo cookie in half and take off the cream filling with a knife. Attach a marshmallow using edible glue and cover it with the other half of the cookie. Put on your earphones and start working out. Jogging first, then squats. I'm doing my best, and Redhead is cheating. No work, no pay. Instead of squatting hard, she's chewing hard. In this way, she will build up only her jaw muscles. Say no to cookies and concentrate on your body. Otherwise, you will be as round as your favorite Oreo. I hear a quiet rustling sound of something sweet coming from my friend. What is hidden there? She wants to distract me with a healthy apple. That's not fair. Let's share. The blue-eyed girl is kind enough to give me a handful of Frutella. I know how to use it. Put Frutella into a microwave to make it more flexible. And shape it into a bumper around your phone. Do not cover a volume button. Attach round ears on top. I come back with a new Minnie Mouse-styled phone bumper. The blue-eyed girl didn't expect to see her Frutella in this unusual role. She breaks off one ear. That's not fair! Let it be. Take a candy. I attach the candy instead of the broken ear. The blue-eyed girl is sweetly chatting with someone on the phone. Sure, 'cause she's got the sweetest phone case. Wrap a phone case with plastic wrap from the inside. Smooth it out carefully so that the wrap sticks tightly to the phone case. Make a cut and insert an ice cream stick. Cut jelly candies in half and place them in the phone case on top of the plastic wrap. Melt the rest of the jelly candies in a microwave and pour the sweet mixture into the phone case. When cool, take it out and remove the wrap. Attach the sticky jelly freezer pop to a clean phone case. Use a liquid food marker to make drops on top. I just wanted to take a closer look at her phone case when my friend's coming right away. You'd better lick this phone case instead of touching it. It is more delicious this way, because it is not just a phone case, it's a jelly freezer pop. It won't work with my phone, and my friend doesn't want to share. I'd better eat a jelly candy. Did you like our ideas of edible phone cases? Then hurry up to write in your comments which yummy you will attach to your phone case. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new sweet ideas on the Troom Troom channel.